Proper feeding is directly related to survival of your chickens. For maximum performance and good health, your chickens need a steady supply of energy, proteins, essential amino acids, minerals, vitamins, and most importantly, water.
In every poultry house, you need different equipment for poultry. You need the drinkers, you need the feeders, you need the laying nest if they are mature like this for hatching, you need the patches and parrots for feed. So to start with, we have the feeders for feeding the chicken. We are using long trough juakari feeders. At the top, it has a rod. The chicken cannot perch on that rod because it's roaring. It's supposed to be roaring. Then the iron sheet is turned inside, so to avoid the wastage of the feed. Yeah. Then from there we have drinkers. For us, in our case, they are automated. To some extent, you can use the 20-liter jerry can or this automated. With these automatic drinkers, they are good because you don't keep refilling the water. You just need a top tank, then through gravity, they fill themselves. One drinker can serve around 50 to 100 chickens.
What I'm doing now at the moment is that because of the environment around, there is sawdust, and these cuckoos will always scratch and put the sawdust in the water. By removing this way, fresh water will come and the sawdust will come down. That's trying to keep the water clean.
Poorly fed birds have low immunity. Never leave them hungry. Imbalances in nutrition leads to stunted growth and high mortality, especially in the chicks. It is for this reason that you should include food supplements. Provided with the right conditions, an indigenous hen will lay her first egg at 28 weeks. Remember, water should be provided at all times to the layers. Feeding should be on clean, hygienic conditions. Laying nests ease egg collection and help avoid dirty and cracked eggs, and should be provided when the hens reach 18 weeks of age. To avoid the hens going broody, ensure continuous egg collection from the nests. There are two types of nests that you can choose from. You can settle for either communal nests where more than one hen shares space, or individual nests where one hen lays at a time. To prevent egg eating, laying nests should be placed in dark areas of the house. Store the eggs with the broad end facing upwards. Hatching eggs should be stored in clean, dry egg trays in cool areas of the house. Eggs older than 10 days should not be used for hatching. If hens are prevented from hatching their own eggs or brooding chicks, they will start to lay again more quickly.
Mostly chicken, when it comes to time of ring, they like hiding somewhere, not an open place. So in a ring nest, it's a good place where they can be able to hide from other chicken. These are called communal ring nest. At least in every box, 4 to 5 chicken can be able to lay at the same time, and then they are partitioned in small cubicles. So at least they help us so that we can be able to get clean eggs, because for hatching we need very clean eggs and very fresh eggs. So they normally assist us in getting fresh eggs. So the cuckoos, they cannot lay all everywhere. So they'll be getting into the ring nest and lay there. In our case, we normally collect eggs at least thrice or around 5 times per day. Yeah. So like morning hours, we expect more eggs, maybe compared with the rest of time.
We are having around 8 cages by 5, whereby this one is holding. It can hold, if you put there one layer, it can accommodate 40 on this side and 40 on this side. But in the deep litter system, we recommend that you put each layer can take a space of 2 feet per square meter. We recommend that we use 10 layers for one cock.
So you remove the eggs from the ring nest. You have to arrange sharp edge facing downward. So you put them sharp where they're facing downward. The brood ones, you don't, you just leave them, but we ensure they don't get. That's how you collect the eggs at least 5 times a day, so that, or as more times as possible, so that the brood one does not get the eggs to sit on.
Housing is necessary to protect chickens against predators, thieves, bad weather, and to provide shelter for egg-laying and broody hens. The location of the chicken house should be dry and flat. Avoid poorly drained sites, but if that is a challenge, then you have the option of raising the house from the ground. Ensure winds ventilate the house without causing cold. Cold is unfriendly to the birds and particularly for the layers. To protect against buildup of diseases causing agents and parasites, the house must be easily accessible and easy to clean. Chicken houses should have openings on either side for ventilation and a hole or ridge on the roof, which will ensure proper ventilation and give light. It is recommended that you have a concrete floor for easy cleaning and disinfection. You'll also need wood shavings for litter and especially in the laying nests.
The house is supposed to carry 1,000 chicken, but when they are separated into 4 quarters, the management is a bit easier compared when managing the whole flock of 1,000. So the first thing is management. Secondly, because of this of cleaning, that's why we need a corridor and for the movement of the person who is working in the house. Also for cleaning, that's why you have a trench. Actually, it's a drainage back to our house.
To design proper housing for your birds, the following guide should apply. If you are just starting, you will need the following on your checklist: wood shavings and 1 cock for every 10 hens. Perches are very important for chicken to roost on at night and during the day. Perches also help to stop pecking and fighting.
We normally remove the litter depending on the frog depending on the frog size that is in that house. Like this one, it's not squeezed. The chicken are very comfortable. The stocking density is a bit lower compared with what is supposed to be there. So with this litter, we can move after 2 to 3 months. But on a weekly basis, you have to rake the litter. You turn the litter using the rake. That one is done on a weekly basis because the litter sometimes may the droppings for food contain ammonia. And so you need to keep raking so that ammonia does not concentrate on the litter or on the room. That is why even we have the big aeration and ventilation for free aeration, so that there is free oxygen and carbon dioxide.